Hi everyone, my name's Annie and welcome back to our channel. On Cooking with Love, we show you how to make delicious food you can proudly share with everyone you love. And today I'm going to show you how to make my Cajun fried green tomatoes recipe. They've got a crunchy cornmeal crust and they're topped with a delicious spicy remoulade sauce. If this is your first time at our channel, we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives. And we'll show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with everyone you love. Okay, let me show you how easy it is to make pan-fried green tomatoes. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've listed them in the description box below. First, measure out 2 1/3 cup of cornmeal. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt into a shallow dish, and mix this thoroughly and set it aside. For crispy fried tomatoes, you'll want to use firm, unripe tomatoes. Sometimes you'll find heirloom tomatoes that are green when they're ripe, and these tomatoes will be too juicy to get that nice crunchy coating. Cut the tomatoes into 1/4 inch slices and set them onto a tray or a sheet pan. Generously sprinkle Tony's seasoning across the tomatoes, then flip the tomatoes over and sprinkle again. Dip the tomato slices into the cornmeal mixture and stack the slices back onto the tray. And thank you so much for watching our channel. When you watch, comment, and share our videos, it helps other people find us, and your support means so much to us. Did you know we have new videos every week? Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. In a large skillet, heat about 1 tablespoon of bacon fat if you have it. If you don't, it's okay. Plus about 1/2 cup of avocado or olive oil. Gently slide the tomato slices into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. That'll cool down the oil and it makes for greasy fried tomatoes, and we don't want that. Fry the slices for 3 to 5 minutes per side until they're crispy and lightly golden brown. Then carefully turn the slices over and fry the other side. Then remove the slices to a paper towel-lined tray so that they can drain. To serve these for a crowd, then transfer the slices to a foil-lined baking sheet and keep them warm in a low 275-degree oven. Thanks to the Cajun seasoning, these fried green tomatoes are delicious just like this. And they're even better with this homemade spicy remoulade sauce, and I've put the recipe for this delicious sauce in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this classic southern dish. Let me know how you like it. And if you're looking for more easy recipes to share with your friends and family, check out this easy dinner recipes playlist. And here's another video I think you'll like.